Good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to start the new topic, not new topic, rather the other types of question what may ask in that profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio. So let us see that question, that numerical, and then I will explain it. The question is Radha and Rukmani are partners in a firm sharing profits in 3:2 ratio. They admitted Gopi as a new partner. Radha surrendered 1/3 of her share in favor of Gopi, and Rukmani surrendered 1/4 of her share in favor of Gopi. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. So what is the new in this question? Just to see, in this question, the surrendered part is given. Both those old partners surrendered part is given. Not only that, it is written as 1/3 of her share. Students, you should be very much careful when it has been told as of. If it is written as of, it means that multiplication. Multiplication of what? 1/3 of the profit sharing ratio of that person, that is 3/5. So whenever these types of question will be given, that the old partners, in the question it is mentioned that old partners have sacrificed a certain portion, then always you calculate the sacrifice matter first, then we will solve the whole question. So let us see how we can solve it. So this is the solution. So first of all, I have calculated here the sacrifice made by Radha. How much sacrifice Radha made? 1/3, this 1/3 of her share. What was her share? 3/5. And into, why into? Because it is written 1/3 of her share. So into 1/3. And if we multiply, then we can cancel off this 3 and this 3, and then it will be there 1/5. On the same way, Rukmani has surrendered how much? The profit sharing ratio of Rukmani was 2/5, and she has surrendered 1/4 of her share. So 2/5 into 1/4. Now if we multiply it, and if you can cancel this 2 and 4, and it will come 2 here. So 2/4, it will come 2 here, then 1 into 1, you will get 1 here, and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So this is 1/5 and 1/10 is the sacrifice made by these two people, Radha and Rukmani. Now, as we have got that how much sacrifice has been made, therefore we can proceed to find out the new ratio. And that calculation of the new ratio here is very simple. You have to just follow this formula. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificing ratio. Alright. So if we'll see here, new ratio Radha, how much, what was the old ratio of Radha had? 3/5. Minus how much she has sacrificed. How much Radha has sacrificed? 1/5. And if you will do this calculation, then you will get 2/5. I hope you can calculate it. What I did this one, I am coming to for this calculation a bit later. So for the time being, here Radha, how much she has, what is her new profit sharing ratio? Old ratio minus sacrificed, how much she has sacrificed, is equal to the new ratio. And what is the new ratio? 2/5. Here in case of Rukmani, what is the story of Rukmani? She has the profit sharing ratio 2/5 minus 1/10. This 1/10 was her sacrificing ratio, or sacrifice, the thing what she has sacrificed. So now 2/5 minus 1/10 will come as 3/10. Okay, I hope you can calculate this one, calculation. And how much Gopi got? This is very simple. Sacrificed, how much Radha sacrificed, and how much Rukmani sacrificed. If we will add these two, then we will get that how much Gopi had got. And how much it is? 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10, and if you will add those two, then you will get 3 by 10. So this is the Gopis here. Now you just see both these Rukmanis came, it came 3 by 10, and for Gopis also it is came 3 by 10. That is, the denominators are 10 for both these Rukmani and Gopi. Whereas in case of Radha, then in case of that new prophet of Radha, the denominator is only 5. So to make the denominator 10, what we have to do? We have to multiply this 2 by 5 with 2 by 2. And therefore you will get that denominator 2. This 4 by 10 is nothing but the equivalent fraction of this 2 by 5. Alright. So we got 4 by 10, and now see that all the denominators are same, and therefore we can write this ratio. And what would be this ratio? New profit sharing ratio between Radha, Rukmani and Gopi will be 4:3:3. That is, this 4, this 3 and this 3. Okay, I hope you understood this one. And next we will go to the next thing, that in this regard you have to keep one thing in mind: sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. So whenever you will write that sacrificing ratio, you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Just follow this formula, and I hope you can calculate it. So try to solve these questions. This is the your question, next question. These are the questions what you have to solve, and please try to calculate these questions. I hope you can solve these all. This question number 5, question number 6. These are the question numbers 5, 6. Why it is written? Because these are the questions from NCERT, and question number 1 to 4 you have already solved. So try to solve these all. 5 to 8, and then please go to the next this 10, 11, 12. Please try to solve this all. If you have any query, please ask me. I will try to help you out. So that's all from this one. We'll meet you again. Till then, take care and be happy, and read all those matters properly. Wish you best of luck. We'll meet you again. Bye bye.